is Rotary Innocent Abu, aka famous father the sharpshooter. Today is my installation, and I'm a change maker president. We have made to bring a change to our society by affecting lives.
Lord, and giver of all good, we praise thee for our daily food. May Rotary friends and Rotary ways help us to serve thee all our days. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful people. Can we all sit down?
My president, my PDG, special guest of honor, the father of the day, mother of the day, I greet you. All my beautiful Rotarians in the house, friends and guests, you're welcome to this wonderful occasion. There is nothing much to say other than to thank God for giving us this opportunity to install our 26th president.
The four-way test. The four-way test of the things we think or say or do. Number one, is it the truth? 2, is it fair to all concerned? 3, will it build goodwill and better friendship? 4, can we take it together? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
Object of Rotary. The object of Rotary is to encourage and foster the ideals of service as a basis of worthy enterprise.
Some of us are here today. They've been hearing about Rotary, and I want to explain to you. Rotary is an international organization of professionals and businessmen united just for one reason: the ideal of service. You can find Rotary in over 200 countries in the whole world. And once you're a Rotarian here, you are a Rotarian in the whole world.
Shall I suffer me repent? Shall I see my native land? I will never forget my home. Let's go again. Wherever you go, wherever you be, do like that thing. Okay, if I be phone, which phone I for be? I don't know that one, the name of phone. The right hand like that, or not so that didn't a better phone. If you don't get that didn't that time, your papa not reach if you're lying. Put me up. Which other phone? God bless you. iPhone, God bless you. Get me one way I know they like it. Apple, God bless you. That is very good phone. Together for this great man. The last time I came to your place, they told me that you are a very good giver. Then, put your hands together for this man. You will see many black men with this man. They open. Put your hands together for this material. But then I was shedding tears. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Rotarian Innocent Inuhu Abu, the president 2021-2022 Rotary Club of Gowon Estate. Rotarian president, please can you come in? He's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us, and so say all of us. And so say all of us, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us.
I'm very happy today to be part of this occasion. Our new president, Rotarian famous father, is well qualified to lead us into this new year. He has the knowledge, he has the experience, he has the will, he has the grace, he has the energy, he has the wisdom. And I'm very positive that it will reach us right.
Let us hear one or two things from the sitting president, then I will take over from here. Thank you very much.
Permit me to express my unreserved gratitude to my incoming president for holding forth the mantle of leadership while I was sick and hospitalized. Definitely, you are a worthy leader and a president who will move mountains, and God will be with you.
Can we just listen to the man in Alimosho? If you're talking of any comedian in Alimosho without mentioning his name, that means you've not visited Alimosho local government area. By the way, my name is A.G. Emega Ogoloji. Thank you very much, and may the good Lord bless each and every one of us.
Now me they call like that, nobody clap. Nobody scream. Nobody faint. When I go Ghana, they introduce me, let's welcome the most famous gospel comedian all the way from Lagos, Nigeria, MOG. As I come out like this and see 4 girls, they cry for back. For my mind, I don't turn star. As I finish now, go meet the girls, say, fine girls, thank you very much, you're my fan here in Ghana. They look me, we don't know you, they just told us we lost our mother, that's why we are crying. Okay, President incoming, you get eye. You want to extend your generation to be very beautiful. So, you know, say if your wife fine, you dey introduce her. If your wife war, you dey explain her. As president was coming, he hold him wife. He fine, sharp. He to say wife war, he go dey dance, his wife go dey there. Then go ask her, where is your wife? You say that woman is the mother of my children. Who asked you? Beautiful woman. President, carry her go market. Anybody who can pass through madam and mommy water. That boy say the liar. If Samson was alive and you are still alive, you don't go see the liar. Then people are laugh because of my balance. I beg you, don't see the president. Oh, she can go. It's not going to go like this. You not last inside it all. The president is watching you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be back in the G3. My name is Samuel G. Thank you very much.
If you're here to support Rotarian Innocent, it will be a good thing if you go with this. This is the way to think. 50,000 naira from Rotarian Innocent. I am going to shock so many of us seated here. 20,000 from Rotarian Innocent. 51,000 from me going 1, going 2, go. 52. 52. Give me my money, you go come carry this single like that. Hold on, my money don't mix. 62,000, 63, 64, 65, 66, 66,000 naira, 66,000 naira going 1, 66,000 going 2, 67,000, 67,000, 67,000, 67,000 going 6,000 going 69,000, 70,000 going 70,000 going 2 71,000 71,000 where what you said 71 71,000 going 71,000 please Rotarians spread this video 71,000 going how much 73,000 all right 73,000 going 1 73,000 going 2 73,000 going 74,000 collect that 1,000 let me end it collect the 1,000 let me end it collect the 1,000 74,000 going 74,000 going
75,000. 75,000.
Where the girl right there?
75,000.
83,000 for me. 83,000. 84,000 for me. 84,000. 85,000 for me. I want that here. 86,000 for me. I want
115 going.
Innocent Abu, popularly called Famous Father, is an entrepreneur and managing director of InnoStar Ventures, a logistics service company in Lagos affiliated with some international logistics organizations. Innocent is a graduate of Lagos State University, where he obtained his BSc in Business Administration, and because of his quest for knowledge, he proceeded to University of Lagos for a master's degree in public and international affairs. His passion and commitment to Rotary is bestow more responsibility on him at the district level, where he served as substantive committees in Rotary Youth Leadership Award, RILA. He loves traveling and has traveled to attend numerous Rotary International convention and program, forming network and building relationship. Even after school, he kept paying school fees for some less privileged people who are willing to study. With his passion in his heart, he is working on setting up a foundation to support the less privileged. Innocent Abu is a minister of the gospel in Christ Living Spring Apostolic. Lamb. Shooter. He puts God first in everything he does.
For he is a jolly good fellow. For he is a jolly good fellow. For he is a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. Funny enough, I don't want Innocent to be the president. That is the truth. And I'll tell you why I don't want him to be the president. I don't want Innocent to be the president. I am. Okay. Innocent did something to me and I want to stop him now. 5,000 naira.
I don't want this guy to be the president. You know why? I have my money, I'm gonna pay the money.
How much?
I don't want him to be the president because how much? It has to beat the 5,000.
Yes, he has to beat the 5,000.
President because I want him to be the president.
He must be the president.
As the chairman of this occasion, which nothing is gonna stop this installation,
Yes.
I am saying they must install my sharpshooter with 10,000.
Wow! Uncle Emeka, you are supported. How much? 2,000 naira.
My PDG, they are winning us with 4,000. When the PDG says this guy should not be president, I did it, but me, 4,000. 4,000, they are winning us, 4,000. 2,000. I support with another 2,000. How much is more than 17,000? 24. Okay, please collect that 10,000 first.
Become the president. You must become the president. Anyone that wants to say, I will not go.
Fire!
Confide on me. I will exercise my power now as the president. Since you have the insignia on me, supporters of Abu Innocent have won with how much?
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to all the 2021-2022. I know. It's going.
I present to us the President 2021-22 of the Rotary Club of Gowon State, Rotary and Innocent Abu. Please, we appreciate you.
We are expecting the best from him. He's a passionate guy, a family guy, someone who is honest and sincere with his words. We're very encouraged by the number of calibers of people he has been able to bring together. And what surprised me most is his way of bringing people to take up his project.
If we can organize a seminar for Rotarians to support his advancement,
I wish him best of luck. I wish him successful tenure, and I wish him the wisdom and knowledge to go ahead and finish strong.
We have something in Rotary we call the Trioca. That is, you have the president right in the middle, you have the immediate past president beside him, and you have the president-elect also at his side. Those three must work in unison for the smooth operations of the club.
We are celebrating today from one administration to the next.
This event is just all about the induction of our new Rotary president of the Rotary year of 2021.
My name is Educator Fumilayo Ariola Jasaya. It gives me a great pleasure to identify with the board that have the heartbeat of God, the Rotary Club.
I am the mother of the day of this invention ceremony. The induction of Rotary Innocent Abu is a good one. I so much love him. He's a loving person, a lover of God, and a selfless man.
This beautiful distinguished award that what we'll be doing is known by both Rotarians and non-Rotarians alike. Thank you and congratulations for honoring us.
The new president is going to follow the footsteps of the past governors, and I'm sure, of past president. I'm sure with what I have seen today, a lot will be achieved.
Welcome people to Gowon. You are welcome.
I'm here to support my CMP colleagues. In the name of Abu, we actually met when we went to PET, and we become a very good, tight friend. So I'm here to support him.
Please stand up your feet and come to celebrate with me.
My name is Rotary Innocent Abu, Rotary Club of Gowon Estate, the 26th President of Rotary Club of Gowon Estate. Rotary is about humanitarian service. In Rotary, you use your 40. You use your time, your thinking, your talent, and your treasure. Today happened to be the best day in Rotary Club of Gowon Estate, being the installation of the new president, the change maker president. I wish to tell the public that you partner with Rotary to bring change to their community.
Rotary Club of Papa, one of the oldest clubs, right? Yeah. So that is Enyolorunda Oshodi. And I have here Rotarian Kalista Akubo, Rotary Club of AB. So she is the first female president of that club. This This is Wasila Tabiodun, Rotary Club of Isheri Olofi. This one is my brother, is my blood. The Rotary president of RC Abule Egba Metro. Round of applause.
Keep watching Red Carpet.
Red carpet. Red carpet.
Red carpet on TV. Thank you.